Hi, I think the Bully Dance video is absolutely incredibly simple and brilliant, and I think it could be a really useful tool for kids that are probably, I don't know, third, fourth, fifth, sixth grades, upper elementary grades, and I definitely think it could be modified to work for younger kids, um, anywhere from probably 4 to second grade. Um, And I think if you just paused it or narrated the scene, like I know my 4-year-old probably wouldn't understand if I just played it, but if I paused it and said, look, they're playing and what's that guy doing and helping them see what's happening, I think that would be really useful. It would also lead to dialogue, which can then make it more powerful and more effective for the kids. And just having opportunities to discuss and how would that make you feel and how would that make someone else feel or what could you do instead, could almost make it more valuable of a tool. So I think anywhere up to, I would say 7th and 8th grade, it might get a little cheesy. They might not buy it as much. But I think it's catchy, I think it's simple, and I think it's really would be a good useful tool to use, like I said, in elementary schools.